Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about why Java 11 is not paid. Yeah, you see a lot of guys talking about now Java 11 is going to be paid, blah blah blah, to look at the licensing and all that stuff. Yeah, if you go to the Oracle website, yeah, you can see if you try to download the Oracle JDK. Yeah, they're saying they are making some changes to Oracle JDK licensing and all that stuff. And if you open here, yeah, some guys say, oh, use programs, blah 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 blah, and they are also highlighting these steps, isn't it? So for any data processing or any commercial production or internal business purposes other than developing, testing, prototyping and demonstrating your application. Okay, yeah, basically if you download from here, some guys just understands you can't use it. Well, you can use, but you can't sell an app based on Java 11. So, well, doesn't make sense. But if you want to avoid, actually, if you guys look at here, this point, looking for Oracle OpenJDK builds, yeah, they will say, if you read this, just pay attention. Okay, Oracle JDK is a Oracle supported Java SE, which is a system environment version for customers and developing, testing, prototyping and demonstrating your Java applications. So you guys can still use it. Yep, for the end users and developers, you can still download JDK 11. So you guys just need to go to a different source, basically. If you go to openjdk.java.net, you are still able to download for free and use it and sell your application without paying any fee, avoiding lawsuits and all that stuff. So a lot of guys are saying you need to pay for Java 11, which is a bullshit. Don't get on that trap, because, well, as you can see here, I was just going to prove you what is in the website and what is the licensing. Just trying to get access. Go to JDK 11 and you just press JDK 11 here, and you can still download from here. You guys can see on Open JDK, if you read, well, it's plain English, so doesn't matter. You can use it, and I'm going to open this licensing just to prove you that Java is still free and is going to be free. Well, I doubted that Oracle just, put a price tag on it, because it doesn't make sense. So people will just stop using it and Java will die. Other programming language such as Python, all these are, merging very fast. It will just taking over that fast, and I'm pretty sure Oracle doesn't want that. So yeah, if you want a commercial build for JDK 11 from Oracle, yeah, probably you need to pay for it, but you can still sell your app, and I will show you here how can you still use it. Okay, just basically, if you read pretty simple plain English, everyone is permitted to copy and distribute verbatim copies of this licensing document, but changing is not allowed. So you guys can see you can still use Java as your main programming language without being charged for it. So just, quick heads up, don't take these guys as, saying that Java will be paid, because if it's under general public license GNU, so as you can see, everyone can copy and distribute, but yeah, they cannot sell Java 11. If you guys enjoyed this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more updates. I will be posting soon. Take care.